Aloha, First Fam. First Assembly of God is one church in 6 locations, and we are committed to meeting together in a very respectful and safe way. Here are some things that you can expect when arriving to each of our campuses. First of all, if you are sick, please stay home. We want you to know that we have our online services at firstaog.live, and it is there for your availability. So if you're feeling sick, you can join us in our services online. If you're coming to our in-person gatherings, please bring your personal mask to the church. If you do forget your personal face mask, we do provide masks at the entrance, but please, we only got limited supply, so bring your personal mask. Upon arrival at the entrance of each of our campuses, you will be warmly greeted by our greeting staff, and there you will have to take a mandatory temperature check. This is to ensure that each of us are safe as we gather together in our services. Throughout the church, there are hand sanitizers that are readily available for you. When you can, please make sure to wash your hands. Remember, social distancing will be in effect, so make sure that you do a shaka, hand five, chicken wing when you greet one another, and make sure to smile with your eyes. We believe that by following each of these instructions that we can ensure a safe and respectful environment for us to gather together in worship. So thank you so much for being cooperative during this time of crisis, and we believe that God is going to help us as a church reach our community in crisis. Stay safe and aloha!